Fest weekend, finally, after 3 years, due to COVID. We have not had a Golly Fest since 2019. 2019 was one of the best days I have ever had in a boat. We did a Team Dagger takeover on the Golly with Rewind prototypes. I think we had 14 prototypes on the river all at once. Not sure how we made that happen, but we managed to do it. And this time around, we've got the Nova with us, rolling up right now. Got about a 4-hour drive ahead of me, just leaving Asheville. And we're gonna get after it. It's Friday. Tomorrow, we ride.
Golly Fest time. But first, we make coffee.
So in a big jangle of shenanigans, I have lost everybody I'm supposed to kayak with today, and I'm going kayaking anyways. Still don't know where anybody is, but we're boating. Either I eat it or where do I enter?
On the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business.
You guys left me.
In the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. Yup, that's why we ain't on the same page. No, do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yup. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
It's dark and scary down there.
It goes so deep.
You got stuck. We're going deep now because I'm not running into him.
That was so sick.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. They saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up Golly Fest Saturday. I have completely forgotten how exhausting full slice laps are on this river. I'm going to boogie back to the festival site, grab some food, party it up, and if we're lucky, I'll be back out here tomorrow. Good morning.
Morning, guys.
Hi, good morning.
Let me just do a sausage, egg, and cheese. And
Other croissant?
yeah.
Golly Fest Sunday. Gonna grab one more quick lap before making the trek back home. Should be a good one. Should be a whole lot more chill, a whole lot less people, and just overall more calmer time. So everybody is worn out from last night. So back-to-back nights up until about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Get up at 6, go boating, but 8 hours of sleep in 2 days, and we're still here. Wouldn't be a classic Golly Fest jangle if somebody didn't drop their paddle in the very first rapid and proceed to lose it.
I'm the shit, use your throne as my toilet seat. I demand a king's ransom for royalty. I deserve a mansion, I'm royalty. Address me, your majesty. To form a new dynasty. The old one was dynasty. I am your highness, please. Address me, your majesty. This classical gold art, urban blacksmith, blacklisted Mozart.
What I heard yesterday was my body is a resource and it has been used. Thanks, Logan. Thanks, Alan. It's been a good resource.
Majesty, oh Lord. Majesty, oh Lord. Oh Lord. Instant classic, this classical gold art. Urban blacksmith, blacklisted Mozart.
Marshmallow. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up another Golly Fest. It's Golly Fest Sunday. We're here at the takeout, actually the put in for the lower. We didn't feel like hiking today. So either way, I've got about a 5-hour drive ahead of me. So I'm going to close you guys off here. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Helps out a huge bunch. And huge bunch. Yeah, I can't speak either way. So we're going to head down to the takeout, get out, and boogie on home. Thanks for paddling with me, guys.